Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It's going to be like a holiday quick makeup tutorial, or at least I think it's going to be quick. But before we jump into the makeup tutorial, I want to talk about some skincare. So check out this clip that I did for my morning routine. This is what I typically do for fall and just adding more hydration. So check this out. So here I'm going to use my Teami Blend Superfood Cleanser. I love this cleanser. As you can see, I'm almost done. You guys need to try this out. Definitely check out Teami Blend's website. And you can save some money by using my discount code. It's going to pop up on the screen. But this cleanser is a very, very healthy cleanser for the skin. It doesn't dry the skin out. It has matcha, turmeric, and sea kelp in it. It also acts as a toner and a moisturizer all in one. So it gives your skin the proper balance, the nutrients. It feels really, really nice after I cleanse my face with this cleanser. And I'm just showing you guys how I use it with my hands. So I wet my face first and I rub it all in, massage it into the skin, and then rinse my hands. And then I typically go in with like some type of, almost like a Clarisonic, but this is the, I forgot the name of this thing, but this little cleansing brush, just so that I can kind of do a simple, not too harsh exfoliating with the cleanser, just so I can allow the cleanser to penetrate in the skin a little bit more. Recently I had a breakout due to traveling, so I was so happy to come back and use my Teami Blend's products because it actually does help my skin. And as you can see, my breakout has cleared up if you've seen my last video. But I love this cleanser. I typically go and do this like a skincare, like spa type of thing in the mornings. And I just let this, you know, get all over my skin, allow my skin to wake up. And my skin just feels so refreshed and so clean. Oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. Along with their mask, I've showed you guys their mask before. They recently came out with a superfood mask that has different clays in it that helps the skin just pull out any impurities, but also leaving it very soft and supple. And that's what this cleanser does. I just wanted to show you guys how I go about using this cleanser. It is amazing. Please make sure you check out the website down below. As you guys can see, I've used these products. I share with you guys their products. They have so many different things on their websites, from cleansers to serums, makeup removers, different supplements for you to put in smoothies and just eat healthy and just be healthy all around. So after I do my cleanser, I do go in with a toner and then I moisturize my skin. So that's what I'm doing here. But I love to press all of these into my skin just so that my skin can get all of the maximum capability of all the products that I'm using on my skin. And my skin feels amazing. It just looks so glowy, so natural, so clean, and boom, my skin is bomb. So check out Teami Blend's website down below. Use my discount code to save you some money. My skin is super soft, and I give this a 2 thumbs up. All right, so now that we know about all the skincare products and this amazing Teami Blend cleanser, definitely check them out and use my discount code. You save a lot more money now for the holidays. So don't forget to check the description box for their website and also use my code to save you some money on your purchase. Now that our skin is prepped, which I did this morning, I already did my brows off camera as well. I also moisturized my skin. I'm going to go in with a primer. So this is the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm just using this because it gives me a lot more hydration, and it acts as a moisturizer and primer in one. Now, a lot of these products are going to be Too Faced. I was trying to do a one brand makeup tutorial type of video, but I don't have a Too Faced blush, but everything else that I'm going to use is I don't have a Too Faced blush and highlighter, but everything else is going to be Too Faced. So I guess I could still consider this as a one brand makeup tutorial for Thanksgiving, to be exact. So Thanksgiving is coming up, super excited, but as we know, things are a little bit different this year because of the pandemic, and now some numbers are skyrocketing and things are starting to get a little more restricted as they were before. But if you are still visiting family, you definitely stay safe. I want you guys to stay safe. I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting because I still have one little dot here. It's actually lower than what it was before, as I mentioned with my skincare products. So just going to put that here. I did recently travel, so my skin has been doing some things, but that's why your skincare is very, very important. I used the wrong one. That was golden beige. I should have used warm beige. Yes, I should have used warm beige on these spots. But yes, your skincare is super, super important, and that's what is going to make the foundation of your base more smooth and hydrating and things like that. Don't mind that this is looking real ashy. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation. I hardly talk about this foundation. I use it a few times. I do like this foundation a lot. So I say, you know what? Let's do it. Hopefully I don't get this on my sweater. Every time I wear a white sweater, something goes on. But yeah, so Thanksgiving is coming up, and things are a little different this year. You know, not being able to have your entire family over, but comment down below your plans for this year. Comment down below what your plans are for Thanksgiving this year. I'm excited. I know that it won't be extended family, but you know, by God's grace, I'll still be able to see my immediate family, and things like that. So super excited about it. Of course, like I said, it's not a full-on like everybody in the family come on over, but I'm still grateful and still thankful for family, you know. So what are some of the traditions that you guys do for Thanksgiving? I know we typically would go around the room and everybody say what they're thankful for, but usually we would have a contest. I think I mentioned this to you guys before last year around this time, but we would have a contest, a bake-off, and my mom would be the judge. This foundation is bomb. My dad and mom would be the judge, and whoever has the best dessert, whoever has the most votes, they'll win a little prize. So try to make it fun. What are some of your traditions? I know I'm asking you guys a lot of questions, but the holidays are my favorite time of year. Christmas, to be exact, because of the feel, the coziness, the colors, the decorating, you know. So this is my favorite time of year, honestly. So how are you guys? How are you guys holding up? I missed you guys. I haven't done a sit down video. I've been doing a lot of vlogging, traveled. If you've seen my vlog, then you know that I recently got engaged. I'm super excited about that. Now it is time to plan for that. And I'm just, you know, with everything that's going on, just not trying to get overwhelmed or, you know, overthink, you know. So for concealer, I'm going to mix the two multi-sculpting concealers in golden beige and warm beige. But if you guys want me and my fiance to do a sit down type of video, definitely let me know. Let me know if you guys wanted me to do that. And I'm just gonna mix the two. One is actually lighter than the other, that's why I mixed the two. And one is a little bit tanner. But so yeah, I know now we have to wear a mask, and so that's why using certain products just make it a little bit easier. Now, if you guys want me to do a mask type of makeup look, like easy to wear mask, I think that this one would be good for a mask as well, as long as you're not putting too much down here. And if you're using you know, like a waterproof setting powder or waterproof setting spray, then you should be fine. But let me know if I should do a separate video on makeup for wearing a mask. So now going in to set all of this, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. This is a translucent one. And I believe this matte one comes in other shades as well. Don't quote me on it. So I know we passed the Sephora, I passed the Sephora VIB sale, and I gave you guys my recommendations and a wish list. And y'all, I didn't even place my order in time while I was in Jamaica. I didn't even place my order in time. But I do still want to try out some new products. So comment down below some new products you want me to try out or look into to review here on my channel. And that'll definitely help me out. I don't think I have a bronzer. I don't think I have a bronzer either. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face with the remaining powder and this cap. Since it is mattifying, You can go ahead and set the rest of the face. So since I don't have a Too Faced bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face off camera. And I'm gonna be using the Sephora, Sephora Spice Market Blush Palette. And I'm also gonna use this for blush and highlighter as well. All right, so I'm in between the two palettes here. So I have the Sweet Peach Too Faced palette, and it looks like this. Oldie but a goodie. You guys have seen this one multiple times, I'm sure. And then the other one is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. And I feel like this one is more holiday-esque to me because of all the champagne, glitters, golds, and all that. So I think I'm going with this one. I'm going to set my lids with So Bougie, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to take that shade and dust it all over my eyes. This palette is a classic. It just has all the perfect like colors in it for the holidays. The colors always smell good from Too Faced, the palettes. They always smell good. All right, so for the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with Cocoa Truffle, which is this shade right here. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm just gonna pack that on the outer corner. This eye is gonna be so simple because I wanna go in with a bold red lip. Maybe, I don't know. You guys do red lips for Thanksgiving or more so for Christmas? I feel like for the whole month of November and December, you could get away with wearing a red lip. It's the holidays, you know? But I hope you guys are doing well. I'm probably all over the place because I'm trying to think of, you know, trying to think and try to figure out what type of look I'm going for. So this palette has a few champagne type of shades, and let me show you. This is Love and Cocoa, which is more of a brown coppery shade. Old Money is like a bronzy copper shade as well. Then you have Chocolate Gold, which is like a yellow gold. Rich Girl, which is like a really bright champagne shade. Then you have Famous, flash it right here. Famous is like your true like brown gold. And then you have Classy and Sassy, which is more of like a rose gold that's down here. So those are all the champagne metallic. Oh, I missed one. Gold and Dipped, which is this last one here. So these are all the champagne and gold shades in this palette. So I'm gonna go in with Famous, and if I want to brighten it up, then I can. So I'm gonna go in with Famous on the lid. I'm gonna take a flat brush and place that all over the lid. Yes, this is like the gold I was looking for. And I want something just chill. Just chill. These are more of the chill golds. Sometimes those other golds can take it up a notch and you're like, whoa, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, now that we have the gold on and the brown, I'm gonna take a smaller brush so that we can put a little darkness in here, like a little smoky type of look. So I'm gonna go in with Decadent, which is the black shade in the palette, and tap the brush in there once or twice, tapping off the excess and just pressing that in the corner. I don't want the black to overpower the brown, but I do want to give off the smoky look. So I'm just, as you see, I'm just pressing it. Not blending it just yet, just pressing it in there on the end. And the eye is done. Now, since we already did the rest of the face, I'm gonna go in the bottom lash line with the same color. So just mainly the brown and a little bit of the black, but mainly the brown, because I don't want to make this like a too dark where it's giving off too much smokiness. So just taking that brown and dragging it throughout the whole bottom lash line. All right, so I'm gonna take this look up a notch by adding some lashes. So the lashes I'm gonna go in with are these Cala 3D faux lashes. I talk about these lashes all the time. This is in the style Nola. I wore these before. These were actually on sale at TJmaxx for $3. So I'm gonna pop these on. But first, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. So this is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. I haven't used this in a while, so. Oh, this is actually a brand new tube. It's just sitting in my stuff. Sitting in my collection, brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a mascara. I try not to open up too many mascaras. I try to use up the ones I have before opening up new ones. But I haven't used this one in a while. It definitely does make your eyelashes flare out. The wand is huge. This is what the wand looks like. Super huge. So I'm gonna pop on these lashes and be back and we'll finish the face. Okay, lashes are on and I'm gonna go in the inner corner with a highlight, of course. So since we're doing like, you know, a gold, I think I'm gonna go in with Gold Dipped, which is this shade right here, and just place that in the inner corner. The bottom of this wand is huge. So to do the bottom of my lashes, I'm gonna have to take my time. So for lips, I want to go in with a red, but let me show you this nude. So this is the Too Faced Sunday Fun Day lipstick, and it looks like this. Really, really pretty nude, like pinky nude color. I also have it in red. I did a review on these lipsticks. It's an old video here on my channel. If I can find it, and I'll put it up. This is their Muy Caliente red shade, and they're so creamy. The packaging is so cute. This is the packaging. They're so cute. So I think I want to do one of these. Now, granted, if you have to wear a mask for this lipstick, then just know that it will come off. But let me just show you what the nude looks like on. And let's see how I want to do nude. This is if you want to do a pink lip. This is if you want to do red for Thanksgiving. I still feel like this is giving me more Christmas because of the bright red with the golds and all that. But I have one more option to try out. So this is a look that you can use with 3 lip options. So this is the red. The lip combo that I chose is the Mented Cosmetics matte lipstick in Dark Night, and I mixed it with the Too Faced matte lipstick in the shade Cool Girl, but both of these will be listed down below. This is the final look that I'm gonna go with. It's definitely a fall, it's still fall vibe without it giving Christmas automatically with this nudie brown lip and a bronzy eye. So I actually like how this came out, girl. I haven't done no makeup in so long that I'm like, okay, all right, I still got it. So let me know your thoughts down below. What are your holiday plans with everything that's going on? I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. And don't forget to check out Teami Blend's website and use my discount code to save you some money on some of their amazing health products. It definitely can jumpstart and kick off your health, insides, and your skin and all that jazz. So make sure you check them out. And let me know what you guys think about this bronzy holiday makeup look and tutorial. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already. It definitely helps your girl channel out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.